na di nti nipa bi no ma mo de ye politics a mo de keka nsensem no munya science na mo ka no na Ghana man pani de woni science su ye no kra na another story and also later ye betwe na ye ka ho asem ye story from Yamame Alima Mahama Hajia and what to former president John Dramani Mahama enim wono and ye opinion minister or local government and rural development was it is impossible to pay assembly members were more fighting over the years sir were more person abantua were more ka ama former president John Dramani Mahama and the kind manifesto manifesto who says was signed by the second time we bet you assembly members ka and local government and rural development minister Hajia Ali Mahama catcher former president John Dramani Mahama say it is impossible to pay assembly members nini na ye behwe na ye di ho nkomo actually ebiem was NDC may collapse and drawn former president John Dramani Mahama and was in Simbinuma ekoso na nsen ewo NDC amanyoko no ma yenye ni patitru bia emane mfa na no entom no anhwe na NDC amanyoko no chese ebegu kura yenti NDC din dan kwama bia ewo oman Ghana mu ha ni nyina efa a book publication titled Working with Rollins here Professor Kwame Ahoy watro dia ba na former president if he say sabiruma waka fa ne ho no entwaye na se oyobi a wodwe na manyoko NDC ho na wo pepati ni nkan kwa na nka eni se wotwe book bi sa kra wobekeka nsem bi a wokeka ewo sa ne ngoma na wodi aba montin so later ye behwe na ni nyina ye di ho nkomo but one of the story na nka wose na wose na de hyase na mom media no ba better last aye videos are circulating on social media students are woman ADD president not former president not a minister not MP not MCE the whole president the first gentleman of the country Ghana na a student ebe to be the incest sinibo nyese wo shekukwon baby either phone or camera is singing so na wo di mampanyi atem ewo omanya yetimu na se yakase ye ya hwe ha ama nyema bi se ekoso wo yeman mu a in fact ebedru baby no se president to officer abafra wo junior high school ebe rua president officer bonasu that kind of insult when your video ni bi ahwe na se video no mu a student ye wo training exams etimi di president ma mi atem se ni baby a in fact where is the country driving to and if on my Ghana yeko and what led to this when teachers for any vigilators attempt say when we are very strict e wo so enti people wo kokotro ya wo ntimi antre no that means wo blame invigilators blame president for bringing free SHS. Now we should ask say bringing free SHS no does it guarantee somebody so be kokotro exams etwa enso hwe na ana say e wo so do ho sua de na wutimi twa won so hwe etwa what some politicians will do say if police intervene say before intervene say student who are trying exams wie na ye be kokoche na you will get a political party in this country ye wo be so regional ka say enyamra and abofra no on the right say bibi nkoyi a e wo se wotimi di abofra na tem now yenhwe if these students were adequately prepared before the exams and can would they depend on a process upon and tuntino sabi we mo ka kire Ghana man panyin se sabi impreduasa mo amutie me na mo fa ncha me I find it very difficult to use the word but to describe it in such a way somebody must see intino in the video wunya bi hwe ya school near one water wasi etimi ka kire president se sabi na adedankwa Akufo-Addo ne ma metwe president e ma metwe na panyin se ansa na ejabeso no na wusie bi hyase in this same Hot FM juno ho bi ntwe yiso ena mofra ne kwa hyase atren so hwe no meka ebisa mpanyimfo a gomo enimde e wadesua mu se students a womo kwa trade these exams no are they adequately prepared for the exams so now womo ko depend on a power no womo ntimi antren so hwe no to the way they want it and I say like it na ankoyi ama na wo mu edi president atema who should we blame here when I was say blame no to me I will blame the president and the Minister of Education, Napo, Honorable Matthew Opoku Prempeh, because these students were not adequately prepared. No one were any pay towards these exams. Now, because of COVID-19, you became a funding now, Momuko. Wamako to the fear, and yes, so cast woman back. Now, woman prepare to write their exams. Woman by how many days? Any other man of finance woman fancy idea, and from Concord to Entrapeno. And definitely they will depend on a poor to write the exams. And upon also Coco Feli, yeah, upon Anto. So why won't a student? Yeah, the mamia teteno. Let us imagine Senka or your woman, sex student, and your woman, where you back, and now say where your family member be, and want to be nini mamia term, want to be nini papa term, no more the whole first gentleman of the land, Nana Adudankwa Akufo-Addo, His Excellency. Want to be a just video way at the Beto Mountain. So in those days, 1999, 2001 coming. Will be a then SSB and how discipline was in school. Who dare you? And I'm a teacher, and I say headmaster, and I say invigilator. They will even cancel your paper. You bet your people want to mean your point and to assume school game. So near a Mofrana Yano, I think politicians, both NDC, MPP, PPP, CPP, whatever. I was seeing you move free. Nayama and Bofrano, Yachu Mwaso. If not, Naya the Kokoyama yourself, Ekon de Mona Nadudankwa Akufo-Addo free senior higher. And maybe some of the students will say more than what they've said. And the day you don't support to say Yamfa. Because now, Nana Adudankwa Akufo-Addo and the president of Ghana. So, na Omanpanyin Fufroba. Na another student, sorry, no, so echo video, did that man penia tama. Nya dia or maimu, yabasu so sani manaso. So it's that time to condemn the act of the students. No matter what terms of anyone, that is not the end of your life. A binomu ko school, one more age school, echo Suyan Sanujuma, now they are making it within Sanujuma now, Moko Suyan. People are very rich with a talented nature, Nyankopon ebo mo. So what the exams? No one to me and dress science. Now who feel say apa wunya yeno and to amawa. At least you can research and write the exams. And now say you can do something else. Aside school na yekono. God has given some of us talent and no na ebinum to me identifier. Wamo edigi wo ho, wamo de bo wo bra. So the fact is that abandon free senior hayaba, you motivate mo, you can't send a bredia to mutrim. No more cock not what you were expecting. Mono doesn't guarantee you. Free SHS will not guarantee you say you will pass your exams. And to the fact, say a nearma uncle year, you blame government that these students were not adequately prepared before. Yeah, you do one course, one more and conquer the exams. One answer ye. And even one subject, Pelio, only one subject. And a one more demonstration. The few schools are one to be near when you answer a video, you know, and social media, Yamubi. There are more schools, sir. One more say a similar thing, but a number out. The only time, Yedibamu said all the students support what their colleagues did, you know. After the last paper, yet your memory say, I'm just some of our way as one. Woman, last paper, you pet. Uber videos are good work, ever separate our social media. Almost all the senior high schools in the country, woman to me and exams and training, you know, they will demonstrate against the president. One major demonstration at Tiana. By the education minister, Honorable Matthew Opoku Prempeh, when the Ghana man, His Excellency Nana Adudankwa Akufo-Addo. We are not in normal times. So why do you push the students say enough prepared for the exams? They should go and write the exams. And it's a muy say, Nasa Wamoko exams no woman Musua. You don't expect to say Wamaba Hot FM manager Mr. Fratem. You don't expect to say one baby general managers kuna tem. You don't expect to say one baby wakasa you were jumum tem. More would you want free SHS in the buyer. Yeah, because COVID-19 abantu they should sit in the house. They should sit at home. No woman see there. Yes, some of them are part-time teachers. How many students and the part-time teacher during the era of COVID-19 say part-time teacher make sure one day? And yet all parents and a bit me afford it. Or Accra Hanama, you can get somebody here what about part-time. Now, Yanko the Mahin Crow, Yanko Water region, the villages there, Yanko Western region, Yanko Central region, Yanko Savannah region, Broad region. Let's go to all the regions and see it say, Sawo be I'm an about part-time classes, wababa na. Teachers falling in our COVID-19 or Mokoti fee, woman be doorful, air doorful, woman by your own personal businesses, your own businesses, because this is the time, and also a month to do your own personal things. And you be any teacher, and he said, what by your extra classes at your man? And he said, what can say, fine, you're closely a Numaku way, and sorry, Mamma, churches, no funerals, no opinion of beer bars. Passengers, you reduce and all that. No students. Say, oh my muyen sorry, you know. Any parents, and Kasa said because the students were not well prepared, we are suspending their exams. Because of coronavirus. At least the president and the minister of education could have called the parents. No one share the stakeholders involved. Now come on planning, now suspended these exams. No, because the students were also thinking about their future, no, and the man will do money to apostle. But whoever has depended on Apo knows that the moment you get Apo, you don't learn. When you Apo in school, you don't learn. Already, these students that we have of late, they don't learn. They are always on their mobile phone. WhatsApp, Facebook, no more chatty. Talk less, say, my promise or more with a poor, they will never learn. Already, woman prepare woman enough. And yes, I saw my woman a poor. Ain't it Wabako, it has a gogo, and answer Akiola book, and answer whatever book. Wabako was steady, questionnaire, a poor young momo, where we are relaxed or social media. Now I shall say chatty and all that. And if these students are not able to write the exams, I'm sitting here and putting the blame on the government and the education minister. Said the students were not adequately prepared for the exams. The whole first gentleman of the land, and this has never happened in the history of Ghana. From the days of Nkrumah till now, this is the first time such incident is, and we should know, say, the students are very desperate. They are thinking about their future, and they think their future is not bright because they cannot write the exams. There are more into this moving forward on the program Hot 93.9 Junomo BM Show. Yebedi Hong Kombo.